Setcrete Rapid Flex Grout is a rapid setting, flexible, polymer-modified cementitious grout for floor and wall tiles with joints up to 15 mm. Suitable for interior and exterior use, it has up to 40 minutes working time, sets after 4 hours with normal service resuming after 24 hours. First, add between 240 to 270 milliliters of cold, clean water per 1 kilogram of powder. Add the powder into the water and stir, remembering to scrape the sides of the tub while mixing to incorporate any excess powder. Continuing to mix until a smooth, creamy and slump-free consistency is achieved. Allow to stand for 2 minutes. Then, remix briefly before use, ensuring a streak-free and uniform color is achieved. Make sure the area to be grouted is clean and any build-ups of adhesive are removed to improve the final finish. Using a grout float, work the mixed grout thoroughly into the joints, ensuring they are fully filled. Removing any surplus grout as work proceeds using the grout float. Allow the grout to firm up by waiting for approximately 20 minutes for ceramic tiles and 40 minutes for porcelain. Once the grout begins to stiffen in the joints, in a circular motion, remove the residue with a damp sponge. After the grout has sufficiently hardened, use a dry, clean cloth to remove any remaining residue for a flawless finish. Setcrete Rapid Flex Grout is suitable for porcelain, ceramic and natural stone tiles. It's efflorescence-free, mold-resistant and is easy to apply and wash off, delivering functional and aesthetically pleasing joints in both white and slate grey.